Hello, good morning. My question, although it might be a rudimentary one, relates to applying discernment in the practice of Shavana, Manana, and Nididhyasana. Recently, I'm noticing my efforts in the first two have waned, and perhaps this diminishment is seeping into Nididhyasana as well. So if these efforts have changed in their intensity, does that mean even though they felt inherent or intrinsic, they were never real or true to begin with?
One reason of lack of intensity might be just the mind. Any kind of spiritual practice that we do, whether it's japa or meditation or worship or prayer or Vedantic inquiry, yogic meditation, any kind of spiritual practice that we do, it will go through waves, ups and downs. That's the very nature of the mind. It cannot hold on to something with unending intensity for years, months and years. It will wane. But don't give up. One must not give up. It will again take an upward turn. If one gives up, then a lot of time and effort is wasted. You will pick it up again, but a lot of time and effort is lost then. So hold on to it, even if the spiritual practice, not just Shravana, any other spiritual practice, even if it seems mechanical, even if you think I'm just going through the paces, that intensity is gone, still do it. You'll see the intensity will come back again. Don't worry about the intensity of the mind. I am a spiritual seeker. I am a sadhaka. I am the Atman itself. What else will I do except spiritual practice? So, even if Shravana, Manana, and Nididhyasana seem to be a little low-key and not going at the intensity, fine, continue with it. Always supplement it with other spiritual practices. Meditation, repetition of mantra, chanting. If you do a ritualistic puja, little worship, that's also great. Service is very great. Going out of oneself. All these practices are sort of private practice. But service is what takes us into contact with the vast, with the Virat, with the people around us. And that's a great blessing in our lives. So the answer is yes. Spiritual practice will go through waves, ups and downs. Don't bother about it. It will never be really very great all the time. That can't be. There's something wrong if everybody is a spiritual practitioner has a big smiley face continuously throughout. No, sometimes yes, goes well. Sometimes it doesn't. So again, it will go well.